Hey y'all, it's Koya Renee. Today I will be doing an eyebrow tutorial for you all, and if you all are interested in seeing this tutorial, stay tuned. So the first thing I'm going to take is this dip brow pomade that I stole from my mother, y'all. She said she got it from a beauty supply store. And then I'm going to take this Anastasia Beverly Hills brush and I'm going to brush out my brows, and then I'm just going to start to shape my brows with that pomade. I like to start in the middle of my brows and then work that product down, and then I'm just going to drag the rest of the product to the front of my brow. After that, I start to line the top part of my brows, and I also start in the middle of my brows, and I'm just brushing that product in, and then I'm going to work it all the way down to the tail of my brows, and then I'm just pushing some of that product up towards the front of my brows. If you all want to get that shaded effect, you want to be very light on your brows to get the ombre effect. And I'm just brushing that product in, making sure I use the spoolie. And then I'm going to take this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. I'm going to put it on the back of my hand. And then I'm going to take the shade Espresso from LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'm going to put that on my hand as well. And then I'm going to take this flat angled brush, y'all, that I got from Amazon. I'm going to dip it in that shade Fawn. And then I'm just going to start to outline and shape the brow with my concealer. I always like to start in the middle of my brows, y'all, for whatever reason. It just works for me. And I just start to shape my brow with that product. And then once I've outlined the brow bone of my brows, then I'm just going to drag that product down. So now I am going to take a flat angled brush that I got from Amazon, and I'm just going to start to shape the top part of my brow. I'm using the shade Espresso from the LA Girl Pro Conceal. You want to use a shade that's closer to your skin tone when you're outlining the top part of your brow, so you won't create a halo effect. And then you want to use a shade that's about 2 shades lighter than you for your brow bone. And then I'm just going to drag that product up. Then I'm going to take some more of that pomade, and I'm going to clean up any mistakes that I made when I was concealing my brows. And I'm just going to blend. Then I'm going to take a fluffy brush that I also got from Amazon, and I'm just going to blend in that shade Espresso. Y'all, I get all of my brushes from Amazon. They're fairly inexpensive. I rarely use any expensive brushes, y'all, so cheap brushes get the job done too. I'm also going to take a different fluffy brush, and I'm going to blend in the shade Fawn underneath my brows. And then I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette in the shade Fudge. You want to use a color that's brown or any color that's closer to your skin tone. And I just like to use that shadow so it could further blend in my concealer underneath my brows. It just helps the concealer to look a little better. And I'm just going to go back and forth between brushes to blend in that concealer. And then this is just me showing you all a before and an after of these brows. Y'all get into this look, honey. Yes. And then I'm just going to start to do my other brow. And I'm doing the exact same thing that I did on my other brow, y'all. So now what I'm going to take is this golden shimmer, y'all. And you don't have to do this extra step, but I like to do it because it just makes my brows pop even more. And what I'm going to do is dip this fluffy brush into the shimmer, and I'm just going to tap it on my lids, and I'm going to blend it in. And it just gives an extra pop to your brows. I love doing this step. Like I said, if you don't want to do it, you don't have to. It's totally optional. And so now what I'm going to do is just put on some eyeliner, and I'm using eyeliner from NYX. And so y'all, this is the finished look of my brows. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Bye.